no sa but modern say wa obesua say de obesia bompae so bompae sema numa enam de esinti se wotimi bonu dunum se wo bodunum a se wo bo aduanan num se wo to de wo yunum wo fia bo wo officer wo nam ho a bo obetimi dun se gu achi wa wo dan na wo twa ho hia na wo bo mpae emaye njae niam na saa se o yakase ya ye yinti na no ano no ade ba ko a me pesa wo hye no so ma me ne se efi afi 2020 say Obekaya, I told you something about the year 2019. Okay. The power of 19. I did that. Yeah. The power of 19. I told you. Because I say TC afi 2021. We are saying for good. T fatu trim if you and ya what me voice. Trust our statement with all. The world has changed for good and it will never reverse. So if the church does not change its message, the world will change the message of the church and destroy the church. The world has changed for good. We are saying wasesa. If you are not, we are saying what yes wasesa. Baby, wasesa kodruno. It has to take the church to change its message. If the church failed to change its message, the message of the world will change the church. And so what you maybe assessor, we are assessor. And see, yeah, Kono. The sa sorrow no hunu. Kwa be faswa. Yeah, ye hunu adwuma that ye hunu said ye be dane. E ye hunamu afemu nso because nipa no ye hunam no ba sorry. Nipa ne ye ba sorry ti ye wie honhom de no mu ase hu se ye nipa ye hunu kwan be fa so a ye be dan ya. It will be practically impossible for us to win the world for Christ. We need to change the message of the church. As of for before movies no start meeting and change the message of the church. Otherwise, the message of the world will change the church and we can never win the battle. But Adeba Kubi Bible Mayemide say, I will build my church and the gates of hell shall not prevail. Sa boshe no ewo. By building the church, they didn't the building. Above funsi from BC I saw 9 da. Nipa na yene won eyo ti esre na yenhye sa niam na nyina nso masa ba beto aso ba me nkwa ahoma no so abranti we na masa friend bi mama mi besa betum akoma ho ba do boa ima ontimi nyame hwe me Emmanuel Abuaji, a mental health practitioner Wakra Psychiatric Hospital. Ima, good morning.
Good morning.
Nyame adome ho ye na so e
Captain,
Good. Now, I am Sabia Hodo a Hoboko.
Oh, Captain, don't be a boko na any other na or what your book room say, Yambo de Ro, especially concerning Sibia man for Ebegino, Chima Mudino Nsem, that's senior man for Adom Mudino, or making some similar costume. And don't be understand, okay, and say, you better be to me,
but I say, say, what shall I say, whom yes, I send through one after Yaba, COVID-19 and Casaso, and no crown a coffers who na Adiaba. Any pacume too psychologically, then you bet me, and then it's because of Huniba.
Psychologically and not mentally, I bet me, I only said it kind, saying, Emano, a shaft, you know. Adepa kwa yebo de woni se obinim asem poten efa coronavirus no wa mema ye mbo de wo wo se niamanfo hu no ekọ ni bebre eboa se obi kra no ayemba obi akoma niamba hina mala kuma kra tu se what to say enya enra na ye kan se Ghana for me se bi ewu wo ayi Denmark ne Italy no yes Denmark ne Italy no na amanfo yam hyehyɛ mo na ade mu kan ntimi yie obi kra hye na Ghana ha ya na mawu na amanfo bodede yedede sɛ ade na kintens I think kensi ade amanfo kra speculate sɛ Ghana for be 20 30 40 kra na nya ade no ebi mu kra sɛ wodi no wi bi bia nti sɛ nsɛm bia enya no kra fa asɛm na ho no ɛnwo sɛ ye ka be sure say woni ma asɛm no ne ekɔpɔte anso na wayɛ den waka ho asɛm number 2 wo yo bi a ayam hyehyɛ wo so anase ankyena wo yam hyehyɛ no wani so yɛ brewa ade yɛ kan sɛ bomodia any information bia na was so follow at least wo hu kwankwa ba sifa den abɔ wo ban ne ade nti wo hu awie na nye me information people a one can say betime am akoma bon temtem ama na prayer ko betwa obetumi news bi na akoma bon temtem anxiety for no na so bi onya ayam hyehyɛ ne ehu woni mu pa no no we twa hwe nti sa na ma we no wo ye obi bi wo so a hwɛ sɛ nye information bia na bedi ekire empo woti abisa sɛ dem asempɔten dem pa na ekoso nyanimdifo a wonim la sem ni mu ye ne bisa so minia matise se eye no kre ana enye no kre ana wa ebio mo so mo ye radio ofo ana mo ye TV adwuma se mo ne ade no style mo beka asem no ano kra beboa se obi betwa hwe ana se obi yamba hye na ne ade ha ntini nyina na ye hwe ne ye koya nim ebio mo so pictorial image kasa pictorial image a niema uhu a na oyam hyehyɛ ne ade no ne nyina no ye hwɛ sɛ the way we present it ebi mu de akoye sɛ coronavirus eba ye nyomu ne ma ne sɛ ebi a obi fi no ana obi twa hwe no ana sɛ bibi eto bi a emu ohram no mo post ne ade sane ma na wo sie jai na mo niema de sɛ betumi atro amaken kan me hu no na sane ma no ne ye type post because obi ho no mo a wo picture say obi etipa na 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 yam se no a wo twahwe ani ade ne nyina obi hu a e ma na koma e koso so na gidi mu ya no kesene ne nyina ya ne ma e betimi ade aboa ama ye nyina aboa nkofo a sebe o makoma entimi na ema bi no ne nyina ya ne ma no e na so woti asem a bisemu hie when you hear of any information bisemu ya sana what spread information no there are so many false information that cause me ade ni nyina na ye
false information kra bi o hwa ya na me nwanwa kakra o hu be bi anipa ne bi kofa ba enra metese sofo bi say what trotrom kra na obi tan what say etane bon papa tumi ko numa ube nya bi chese nsam ne ye bebre but yem fa ne say woni obi na ye adwuma and now na what says you nipa na ne ye adwuma no wa test positive me nipa mo aka no mo nya dem because edenya what pe o ye mbehye
okay enti ye ma se wa adwuma me ma se mo wo yi ma no su na so na captain one kasa na akọ test na hu so positive oba o say o test positive na kasa na ho na e be quarantine no but as to how who say e bia one kasa wa sase e bo wa who say so na e kan e tese ne coronavirus ne Canada na fie mem adwuma no pa no matter how your work may be important no yeah sure be the law of greater good send your mouth be no and spread ade no into captain say me expect say wo me adwuma me try radio so obetina fie no wa friend numbers na you see em friend me fa no na ya ba fa e bia wo adwuma na ho say ande ma na eden sha say na ade no immediate me o ti radio so na say bo wa o ti e pa wo one kasa wo say ho do ni ade o ti say exercise and symptoms and I said as so the test on your coronavirus now captain e o ti ho na no free me ma me fa menya tell say wo fa car akọ wo dey free omo numbers for honum wo say ya e be sound say me ade be hu say you o be tell fa car ba hospital na say o dey ambulance na kasa kala be fa efi edwem honum but immediately na kasa no quarantine one kasa quarantine mo office go honum one kasa be office no mamunya we ma o immediate supervisor nya we so say ni say na me fie the intimate so say me person me quarantine no me a quarantine no wo be bia wo no ya top bia quarantine no ya fe do trace contact ni ade enti on baba ho no mo mo e be say so pa first of a bit kind of say pa wo ya ye ni bi uni ya ye ni bi a okay maybe na Malay because Malay be to me I did the same time can for cabin at the same time enti e say enye mo me di ya na ho som but say e bi dia o mo morning na o say quarantine o me start trace say ampa yeah any be obenya bi ana say e wo se ni pede manyin hu mpe but ya ti ate by hona I want say kwase wo so bi atiem cap to the yan libio no mu cheche na manfo embo wo bia so bi nye so bi wo bi impona say suspected case na mo imagine say akono wo bi no obi cheche em akono wo che wo nye bi sanya mana so ampeni ampa sa akono wo bia say mude ehuni ade asemu no mu be gane na akwa no make say be no dey sign mu na mo now wo be kofi wo be sign we no ma wo be pia ko to the best man for na ask be den kwa na ekonomy enti say mu ti say mu say ana wan ka so mu say bia keep calm me ma ya mo show ade na e kan no upon research over half of kofi mu ya yare ni recover over half of the conforming as I am now. Among cover. Among every money I don't share percentages now. I get Mutafuani I did now moon in any fopa or many more Pomo and I will be a way I did the only PM one 18 and I shall be a Pomo said I'm conquer. Omna yet show Mano and I'll say to Sanema as I say, Nipadu over 50% of Kofor. Munya ring na recover. More original quarantine money, please now. Don't want to recover. And I want to say a day who someone from so much. Yes, I was so buying. Yes, I was so good. Yes, I was so sanitizers. Yes, never be a church say from my home, never from my home. Then when I want to say who a shaman for.
Sir, a who bar then met me a year, me free sa situation name.
A who bar.
Say BBSC ebia BBSC ma me yamahye obi ohokura besi no suro sama into tesama yana ne hu abehye mu BBSC ama esuro ba me mu a den na metimi ya suro e wa adwenem me no kata ama mate ase afiri ho meye den na metimi ama hu afiri me mu
okay enti e so bi panic attack say in perfume na ehu achewa ana so wakoma bo ne ade ade e so bi deep breathing exercises obesha se ahome yi apenda ave o jin frama eku mu ne ade enti sisi ne o ye home na batu be na mu oden kakra obesha se ahome aka me pen wa na bi ho ma kama ma ya cho sisi ne ye fa bi deep breathing exercise oga home ne mu oden kakra oga kofwa ahome ne mu oden sa no probably at least in frama o believe be brain ho no mo a waka so benya fama aye adekuna ema wo yam show ne ade no hwe say wo yi wani bi a wo hwe ho movie o yam show turn the TV on freedom ho say esumunu na wo na say bi a o ye kufem show a so light no ara so obi a wo hwe video bi wo hu say obi a obi onya coronavirus na ma no twahwe ana bi a sa video no ja hwe men dani woni tikiti sese na wo ade no da hwe ni nyina ya na betimi aden aboa obetimi asori anante kaka place na obetimi asori efre bia na wote no no anante kaka akotuna kwa wan hwe se bia ka se koni ade na na se obetimi kura na obi asa se etin komo so many at least just to take away the fear at that instant moment is very important obetimi kura atie nyum na wo anyum be woni ade obetimi do get peace ache waso menya panic attack pain. Enti me na say na me took on a menya accident. Enti me who say accident be this year na accident na me yam hyehyeme. Enti e happen na me de anyum asema so. Enti na me tie anyum na a relax me nerves. Anyum me pepa no. E beti be gospel song, e beti me anyum bia na o de relax na wo tie. Ni na e kwankwa beti me aboa na at the moment I am be show no. What about Buankasao?
Okay then. Minimum amenda wase. Emmanuel Abuaje, a mental health practitioner, Accra Psychiatric Hospital. Banten wa bimpa and artist menino a bonko bono. But what the other chance to say, Messi Mensro, she knew what to be afraid of. Be anywhere says so. What you say? More parking kind of. What you say? Ube me a check it. History of the world's pandemics and near see epidemics I would always see around the globe. Any nipa a chi one nipa a kum womo. 429 and to 426 BC. Plague of Athens. A kum nipa 75,000 to 100,000. Yay. Eti we ye den ya mesema bobo na mebo ni nyina ma wi ase enema hodo a asisi ebola kura wendi bosome miensa mpo no ebola wo sa bra no wanche kura wo na ni ba ye ho so a na watam ni pa 11,000 plus edo moko me say mensuro to bo asene mum enhihye a ye de ama ye say ye ndi so no eno wana di so you are good to go. Baba menko ahoma no so na fei mene lawyer Martin Pegbu or a private legal practitioner and Dwaso lawyer what me kan no pay me moache
Ni captain
na bibia e boko de
ya me na Adom boko
na fem ho nso e boko Yamma ha ye we etoda abehu se bibi besi na mampani ote edwaso na waka bibi a esese oman no ye nyina no yetimi di so but ebinom so adwene ye won se sa niema no aban ne betimi aka to say the coronavirus dey ba ye president akase yenya sorry yenye sei sa niema ni na no be no na ebia na etietie nipa bi efa hodie so enam so aban no de bill bi ko mahebedwemu a ye de ko be pass sa anra no na etimi ama a legitimize and some president betimi aka no wo yam branim ni no wo hu no sen ene sa hihye ne betimi a limit ebidum so freedom
captain ni amantenye re no kwan so anu no if you say constitution no ma kwan say yeah, na ye ewo danger mo I say that young ya man for make sure mo kwa esi sa ya ya mrano ma kwan constitution article 21 ma kwan say o man tinu betia asese mra on the parliament o ma asese mra se de be ya ya be respect ya man for ya ma kwan ma man for se do mo ye be ya nka se be ti o fa ho di so ya nka se bia ya be ti so kakra se de be ya se oba akofo ti ni fa ho di a enko fa sem so bi no bi foforo enti be fa say obi a o coronavirus one restriction na area or call party or call night club in the ekeka ho a so they are concerned amanfo okay and then also there were precautionary measures into constitution article 21 naturally say the fee no ebeboa pa se de be ya yare no enkosan amanfo bebrea ene o manpini enye mra in that regard
etoda ebetimi abase ebia president betimi tumi bi menka say president or so say ebia na da achibi no obi betimi aye bibia ye illegal ne sanse mra wo ho ntino etimi ama na be legitimate ana
and yes I know but most of the time emergency powers no but we know normal at least in the insurance no it looks like normal public health emergency law, okay? But to tell you, a man first and lock it down the whole country, lock down too much restrictions under a state of emergency now.
honor it's near excess. But also we na air con public national emergency. And no call for emergency. I know they are not Article 30 something. No, I know could they would declare a state of emergency. And no, yeah, also about a dictator which dictate the amount for family. So that way, no, they're quite Article 21. So it looks normal, like normal public health situation.
Okay. Eti Osha said and your freedom of association, freedom of this, freedom of that in the constitution. Say a kokobani say ya and katini pani be freedom.
Good. I know the I can't say. In this case, no, every constitution, no, I'm not exception, no. And it's friend say we are cutting down their freedoms aside. Because we are applying the exception. And you can, in simple terms, you can be no correct. But you can legally now. Because exception to Emra. The man that can say, in you will say, yes, I mean, we need the best amount for the and yet, it will be who say a different hand, the banana. Madam Macquarie say, the teacher amount for fun would be the Kakra. Is the exception, sir, Captain. You know, say, if you inquire them, they are okay. To every rule, there is an exception.
Sure.
To every rule, there is an exception. It's in memory, exception, no, abano.
But your wawa when it be what kind you know then are unique about this and I then I'll bet me I can't say be a fan can one as a yin free.
Not yet. So far, no, I think yesterday was a very busy day. By the time I produced that by night at the outside, I've not been able to excite my mind. So far, it looks good. Also, start to say, you know, you're going to see, and you say, you're position right, and then making sure, say, or my opinion, more power to restrict churches near you know. And you're not just a mental health, the pan. So, only, then one say, or my opinion can say, Master, so you see, I'm here, not some small churches. I could issue statements, so it takes the amount of time. Dear Granny, and yes, Ghana, it's Monday to home here. And I'm the account of crap, some of those churches, Bianca, will be the course or so. But I say, I want to know when you are a month of crime, say, it will be about the Gnas or Sam Cran, who said, I'm not for course, between and the 7 million account. Can you meet some of those people in your almost say yes? The new media, we should be in say, we Yanko friend, but at the back, we said, Ghana, I saw not doors in the door. The junior community, I saw not okay. Into those first churches, we are from our side. After the corona scare is gone, no, we should be alive. They can do business, but you see, I know also Musiabutre, okay. Now, you're my directions. No boy, nah. It's a collection. I'm not for that. You know, hey, baby, a chief, your more fun with you. So, young question, so now, Uncle Ponco, I thought you'd be Uncle Ponco, you'd be to make you feel another vampire, Uncle Ponco. Oh, so it's good that your man to need them, Raya Cose, Parliament and Passy. Na onye tumi na only restricting movements in MY. Because that's the only pan say. Sorry, about na India, if you are corona, you not the sign, not just a Okoya now by. That is Passion Captain. Last one.
Okay, then.
That is a chief man say, or to know Yadama and Samufunuko and Question.
Batwai.
No. Say, chief man, Islamic cleric, Kukudam, on new Queen Yankasa, on crime announcement, Momon Comas Lati. Argentina, Union way to food, churches, the actual said, a man from there.
Yo, but Law, where the answer now, Becono. Usha, President Casademono, now Pacha said, baby, nipa more than 25, Bebo Chenku Nano, Yenjai, Adbrosway 25. court ya muko ya lawyer fo ni a judge fo ne clerks ne wo mbedi wasem eto da obehwe na court dan ba akopemu no bi o wabaye nipa 60 nipa 70 na mo ho wo susu se akabe bi edu nsu ka court no e bia yen suspend kakra.
Yes, and that's why I decided to do the Kaho. Yes, but I mean, you only say, I'm not saying, yeah, as lawyers, you should WhatsApp platform to say, almost suspend money that we call court, you say, lawyer for anything for no around. Ever inspector court, anybody, a baby, I make 3 courts. A whole man, but you just like, you say, only say, young and 1 week suspension answer. So that at the end of the 1 week, not yashe. And then within 1 week, not you know more about Yari and then how to cope. Because in Castle, you know, make us a bill you cry on Parliament. And I do know, also put this buy and say, oh, lawyer, prepare new Jim command. The whole day, no man, 2 months was busy. Oh, it is yes, I think this court now. Remember the me say, and yes, I know. As you didn't know, it means more about Yariano. Now you see another way to how to cope with it. Today, just ended I say, Lanka, my announcement on radio to say, I don't see like the DC. I don't think the command because let me share office and me, I'm out with my oh, into I don't know. Say access the universities are closing down. Another schools near you now. Also, Anka, young close down. You just say emergency. Maybe I may find a cafe, God forbid, maybe you'll be about what I see that we didn't depend on the coronavirus time. I think official see the anajo or the floodlights. I be see one who see Diana. And not our exceptions in there, which will be called say, oh, Jane Johnson. But near any emergency, no. Banker, yes, I send you for 1 year. But in America, no, that you're thinking for no, or move around every year inspection.
Okay.
So that they are on the call, yes, I see you or not, or my command more feedback. To move from one to music at Gram Wire.
And I say, lawyer, will be a chair at Safrel. Lawyer Martin Pebu, a private legal practitioner, and autism, and Edin Como, President, abided in Krata, Mrashebi Dream, say, and you know, I do we are check. Say, Toda, a president, a car, Sema, your fancy constitutional, a hinijina, and Mrabian touched to be a yadiope. Professor Mr. Cracker said, what you may see me in Tria. You try, and I Tigumwa, your mass wa womb. Yes, you try, and I tried their president, a car, yes, so. Yea, president be a customer, no be a didia grow. Sa. And nunti, Nesamre, a court, Mrashebium, to say, President Kaya, a fat coronavirus, see we say, Yenya, sorry, Yenya, President Ka, Sama, America, the president, and no boss, one, and I'm some was I'm raving to know, not 2 minutes, we are off a post match. And says, I see a yabi. Think I saw for by you, and San Right Church, and I church or Munino, can make us a nature and can no one. See, and no call. Mashebi Dream, your bomb pies or mon passes, I'm running them, because maybe we are Senate Corner, as a sound. Yanya BB and tem. Let me catch your say, you were list of epidemics, see you, we are seeing. Kumini Pabibri, 15th century, mean we still time on 16th to 17th century, ABCC year, 18th century, ABC year, 19th century, ABC year, but my main farmer, 20th century, yeah. In 1896, crossing 1906, Congo Basin, Wonkwa. Sayarena trypanosomiasis, a choda, your friend Jeprim Kakao, a Kunipa 3,000. Oh, Wonkwa. Woba, a year 1899 to 1923. Your friend BB 6th cholera pandemic. Europe, Asia, and part of Africa. A Kunipa 800,000. 1900 and then basically 1904. San Francisco. One friend BB bubonic plague. Yay. But to see America honing and terminating there. When any bow now within 2 hours. ɛwɔ San Francisco pɛ ɛwɔ America kum nipa 113 omani ba mo so na de nipa 13,000 kɔ okay India 1903 saa yare kura na bubonic ni din kura ehu plague no ekum nipa 22,000 ɛwɔ hɔ a ba me fa nkɔ de ɛyɛ na no ɔhye na kra tigobra una wire Latin da bebo word din bebo bra bring your eyes una ashes space encephalitis person phobia what as I one cat 1915 to 1926 as we are seeing a nipa 1.5 million nipa 1.5 million Spanish flu about 1918 or the 2 years we are 1920 and say yet me hu and the mano a nipa 100,000 2 years no di no yey Mamen Kode Super 1947 1957 to 1958 1 year and I did be USA friend Asian flu menim say no dey what asem the whole world the nipa 2 million and then they contract emu a nipa 2 million what I said 1968 question 1969 na yan woman but Hong Kong flu so by as agro 1 million and a kumwomo. Then 1972 ekwesi 1973 yenya bibi wo wiase fa ne London flu London ya hoya won flu esi wa America menim de enti esi wa America na ko friend London flu by the time they said Jack na kum nipa 11,027 India ewo 1974 yare no omuhwehwe mu no odi 92 days 1974 no omunya smallpox epidemic of India agro India kwa shum enipa 15,000 ena odo wo koye ena ego ne nsem a na bedu efi 1920 ebesi enne ya me no kasei eni ebenya bibi ewo wiase ha yesi ye freno HIV and AIDS pandemic omususu se ehase wo Congo basin besi enne HIV ekum nipa 32 million sana wachro ha HIV the whole world ekum nipa 32 million na fe me famre fi 2000 ya ebebebe 2001 Nigeria and South Africa cholera ekum nipa 40,000 2001 e shall say 18th January the president Kufuor akonwa so no 11 days pepepe na shall say bagam e kumnipa 40,000 na South Africa and in Nigeria mamintum nkwachire kakra 2009 year twam yen 209 year the Professor Messi akonwa so no and also from 17th January yedi onu so si akonwa so no and then makoma ko adunsia and ye benya 2009 flu pandemic ni ye be friend swine flu no the whole world e kumnipa 575,400 and ye ba 2010 year and ye benya Haiti cholera outbreak Hispanics for no side no and so agwa nipa 10,000 wham no je wo mu no do won koye Congo kuro ye ebenya cholera 2011 year twem ye pim 4,500 February nko no osa wo mo asese susuro e no de won e de koye Ebola branch your buy ye nche yi krai bra Ebola no buy ye nche yi asa gra oh pam 2013 2016 year and the BC year was a sign pay 11,300 men can say corona and yard ye bia bibi but the whole world a population of over 7.8 billion. Enipa 219,367 na ache wo mo. And 8,970 sesi ameno kasei and we free mu. So what the world records of epidemics and one and sheda the way no onyandru babia by ye and show for your media ya ni social media kuno ye na me yakumetu me say relax ma bon to yam enye hu enwanwa but enye hu ni yama na baye bibi hu na be kata so se wo fa dwom kura e ma adudwa kura na omusuro sister kodi udwa dia wo baye nyina ne se ya kire yen se yen hohoro yen sa hohoro ya kire yen se yen use hand sanitizer use be ya kire yen se uni obi edi nkomo a membe no ma na mo baye miensa ma montem di so ya kasa wo bo wa katawano ye wo be hwinti it bo modi ana fei eno so kata hwene se watu kwan afiri aman ahodo yi a ebi wo so ibi na wo bedru Ghana ha menye nipa bonesem emaye nchewansa wankasa airport ho na no ha wo mehu se ho na afiba te say de wo mu se Italian si mienu ba wo mu san wo mu eno obi so fa Korea so fa Togo no nanti fa form say oh immigration officers kutan mu se kabo okay enti bomodiana disania manoso ye di eno so a bibie ni ho a ebeye tio enipa 219,367 no emu 85,749 wati apo complete wabra na vaccine bi amaye woko because I are no sa virus eba ho a wa wo system no wa wo to na wo system na na kutia yare no na wati apo na akọ ba bi anu aduro bi amaye nti bomodin yana eba wakomentu sa yabuatu sa debi pacho memo wakomentu wai eye okra wa system na bema wati apo but yindi hihye na wode amaye no so Supo Sheila Bachman director of public affairs Emma Ghana police prison service and police service Ghana prison service police service okay en kwa homa no so na fei mene Auntie Sheila Mbonkomo. Madam, good morning.
Morning, Minia. I had a book or me did say a tea for you now, so it's here for whom so ye papa in a year pa. Now, in 10 times, so no, Yaria be wish various police stations, now na cells, ewo and she shall be na Mudia Guaquema, na Ghana Health Service, aya, a bon one inside no home a buying. When you me that's it. Inside Nami Adom, any man for Mwada Romanti, Adom for. You were police medical officers. Almost so under Ghana Health Service. Until been a year, police hospital, ni police clinic, who do be brave. Almost boy, am I yet to me? Any police for no casa, ever quiet a breakfast or a big baby hygienic. Into say about police cells and casa there. You see, I'm disinfecting her regularly. And into brano, if free says me by ye, she say, ye bed disinfecting her. Nothing so no. Mooning said, so be a bonia, you guna hodwa who do ye when a fellow any what they misdemeanors. Into say, bonia no nya bonia, a super Gossipeni pa IGP, she say, yeah, take steps. Now I find this surety. Credible surety, na yen granted uncle for the bill. Name my committee fellow in India, or Mudia, the Omo to a dream. I think someone so court was says I am for to police custody no, Sanko for no, and I yaja omegusel. Nasa Cobasa, Ubin Sudi Bonessa and Chinoa, if you think was the other year, or Manpeni, a shame ray. Mansani, I do be shimno. You be screening. You see Ghana Health Service standards now near the screening, and I'm making you professionals or my church, a police for no. A coin or month or moon screening questions or moon miss temperature checking near day. And sana, ye de watu police cells ho. Na se kobase, ubi, police in EB, a suspect say ubi enya coronavirus ibia. kwanya wo se won fa so no nso no ya chirechire ebi ni say the hotline kora police apart from aban hotlines ni no nyensa no mo de amayen no police hospital nso so yen public health department for no numbers nyensa esi ho a omo de ama police for inti no say suspect bibia sa ye be free
Nampacha officers nankasa so bambo nhihye ben na wo ho cause obi wu to ba bi ye free police akromfo kwa ha ye free police etuo yi amoamu yusui police ni we som no de ko oba na de abesi ho no ko we suba duty na wa besom eto da counter ho kra ne pen da ho we eno ana mu ina modo tro officers nankasa
then na mo ya ehu hia pa in fact sani ameka en education na shase education no was sani ayare ne tie sani ayare ne timi tu asese ene bambo ne ma yitimi ye enyina ka ho enu nti no so behwa na nsane na ye de tu dwa se ye officers ni nyina ye mo education na mom no ye front line officers to say de na wo bubo ibi omo dwumadie no eya sonko expose omo se omo betimi ehia COVID-19 cases yibi. It is for some frontline officers no. In Shishaya was a shisha bia ya dia shisha atoho ye rolling it out. Ye rolling ni na out in see if we say what can ni na ready. Now so omo was omunya gloves for certain duties no. Ye de ma omo was ukoyen police stations ni na ye de Veronica bucket ACC ho. Say police force ye betimi ahoro yensa intentem so unim say ye dikan dia to just say enam bambo nhihye ya Ghana Health Service dia gu ho nintino say ye ni police ye ni momanfo dealia ye be keep pisa social distance of 1 meter no ehu hia pa na nkobesa droplets bi ebegu obi so enu ntino was ye nsu yetimi nya sa bambo ni bi ne yetimi adi ejuma se police for aboa omanfo enu ntino na ye science re Adom for momo manfo asonte say woni jume dibia wo police station and as a police asye bia ebeya yesre for telephone na frɛ ana email na yente won kan ani wonni sansan so no if he says social distancing yi ehu hia ma wo ehu hia ma yen ehu hia so manfo beti ase na etumi aboban na was ye de ahye yen sasa ye no men kokoko police station ana say police asye ye bia kwase ne a ense ne mfata na mum maybe amentimi mfa akwanya iso nsere adomfo obiara baby a wuti bia na am say police for there ye de ye tenafi a enye yunti say ya amam 40 fie yan yes de ne say ya hwese bambo ekoso enu nti no ya aka bia ye behia e de akosa de e do so bebre ne a procedure mekuo beto ne de aban beto no social support ya ebeye ubetimi akọ police na wo mpotem ho no and our district police headquarters and as I national headquarters in Puna opese oba migidi so mo frewa oba ma ya so ati say disinfectant to say sanitizer so say tissue paper say non-contaminated do sensu insu a good hygienic containers mu say Veronica buckets ibio mutimi do dom e de supporti prosifo e ma yetimi keep cells ho clean e ma yensu so yetimi de hwa boy ho ban na say juma ye die no etimi akọwa no na ama coronavirus yi antiatisi
aya na won medwene won ho so kakra won adwuma no mu eye MTTD for no ebi obetimi keep that social distance but driver ni na oyi ni car papers akire no say the driver's license say yen insurance and na any other thing a police never require so be yama no manahwe no wonnim say wabo waguso wo kwan mu no de ba say waye ne den won mo sa no den na mo de ma won abo won
ho mpacho mo so ka front line officers na ye ka ho asem no ho front line officers no wa dikin abugo bidada investigators omo ye patrol MTT for more traffic control Dwaso officers mana obi edi boni no ba becho arresting officers omo nyina ye sankofo na ye hu omo as front line officers no was omo share gloves at a point in time Ghana Health Service for any doctor for any health for na me ati asese Glass no nso so e wo ho nsunsan so ene mask no nso so wo ho nsunsan so enti nkyerɛkyerɛ na yɛde ma saa ya policefoɔ no e kyerɛ wo mmra e wo sɛ wo mo sɛ glass no ne mask no nanso saa policefoɔ a yɛdi ani ma yɛdi saa adwuma yi ye tu one among ebi mo hɔ yɛdi kan de among mo deda yeguso a because I was a disposable into you see I was a what to twene nti yeguso a etu saa na mo no asa ne amaking ye be hia ne bebre pa na ye de aye nti san hyehyeye ne de police penin pa ne police management members edi aye san hyehyeye na to ho ya sase e rolling no since Monday
you me da se pa na ansa na obekoro mpacho driver ni na ode car twifa post ni so eku no mache no
mini aye nche no na nso kan ne ke ye beche no
acha dodo
mini a echa nche se ebesa nanso so baby o hye no ene obisuani bi onim ne bia no in their best interest so mbe na basa abri if you say dian ya ye bechi no eno nti na ya ye koso a e ka kire omanfo say omo emma ya information na ese na fata na afen so no say obi koye bibi we obisuani we wa yonkofo a se bra ha omo nim baby o won say etu police ni yesi achedodo se tu obi foforo na nka echese yi a enka manfo fo se bia police na entu anamon yetu anamon bia na yenim se echese den anya ye beche no e de na simra no
better na we the car bo postini we achi postini wa bono we ka postini to gotem na senya imukura counter terrorism for emienu na obi the second war mutire ho obi omukọ akwọbọ nipa ho ban na ye bo onu ye pra won ye kumbi ni ade den na mo so mo ya mbaba mwani ayeden asa majaja yensa o no bi ayede ope
minia entina me dese Adom for amokyerɛkyerɛ manfo mo hu policy dwumadie ene omo nso asɛdeɛ no yenjeja ni pasa na emom na yensa woso ayedie enti etoda na ewo sɛ yetimi nso flexible no manfo atumi aben na emom no menam udwumadie yi so nso ma wo mo a wo mo de asi wo mo tirim sɛ police fo na wo pɛ sɛ wo taataaye no ya ma ho kwan sa se me bon ho ban na se me ya me ni ban bo a me ya dan na menya ho den ne de abon ho ban enu nti ye tu omanfo fo se ye sere omumwa na dwumadie ni nkoso no na wo mo nso a omo de aye omadwen se aposifo no mbe attack omo no ye woni se omo si omo hu free sa suban ne ho efi se enkoyie ma omo na enkoyie nso ma oman no
ma woni ya de bi esi amu woni mo nya hwe ene nipa di posifo di agro okrom ha enso amaye twa ye ho ahie ni other parts of the world at a distance the police officer will order you to lie down yes ejina ho twa no lie down yeah intimi status modern policing practice bi wa na as a citizen bi asori na wa fam rasha de se na posini na obo no at obi krat bi di posini ata no atenteso agoro so as a majaja you me sada no
me me pacho say o hwe modern police practices now can yeah democratic policing it is sani yeah centrefo na mon centrefo sani mo tumi etna radio so ekasa nanso so ebi mu nso tumi ekasa tia mona no checks and balancing se kakra bi na ankoyi a nche se ni nyina ankoyi enu nti na ye gidi se mo akwanya se mutumi kasa kire nipa bebre se wo no mo be kire o manfo nso no mahu o maso die e wo mo so so mo be hwe ama procedure makro ene ni dwumadie akoso enti no ye conform to modern police practices international best practice and no na in training and no enso na ye didi ye enti yan hwe say ye be ye ni nyina ye na akoso
mamenda wasene driver ni na o de car twifa post ni do mesramo ache
ye beche no
ache
medasi nya
menso medasi Supo Sheila Backman, Director of Public Affairs Magana Police Service na 37 no edin kutahono edumra continent bi wo ho a nipa wo ho no ye de mra ene punishment na tenetene wo no you can't train the black man with law and love no say love no ho na de punishment kakra ata ho cause before you pedi ehye ka o chipo sin hwe na menka say post phone shoe ba ye chewa na de nsake ka kakra no mu say the other year no say da na say enwuna as ye jeja yen sa Ghana Police Service look o mind be yamu. It's about time you take action. And yama warning, mama ya warning a chemunya foko. Won't take action. Now humra muhon kakra. Prof. BBI fine.
BBI come on. Police for mom who.
Oh, massa. Now who obikan who born dog. So police the age now wait me a reverse. What reverse na we be do anim na intentionally what the car net tria fa the so ko no was say dwane
yes sad
ready to see ko for the gala we say na post the car bonnet so we john all the asam na say no that so na ne ko hwe that nonsense that's what you say
na ba ko bi ba refi
oh the be see
so one ko kan
just say
na ni one ko pa choma ko
David some do one mo wi Papa na yeah oh masa do time you pay here jaw
abuli so mo be o strong
one more microphone bi o ha
and more issues we o strong on pass divia
oh da bi yen say divia na ma o strong no oh say we are na come here
say divia
oh me I no cry na one of the major problems that yeah I say you blame police for most of the time na microphobia so say from corruption watch corruption was the corruption perception index say police for na you corrupt court na ko had why you mean you post it and you 51 million
Capito.
One. Adom Sports.